Have Peter Rossi in from Summers. That's Somers, New York. And Peter just completed our 3-day Detail Czar Certified Detailer Private Licensee Training Program. It's been here since Friday. So, Peter, why did you decide to attend the training this weekend?
Well, I'm starting my own business called Professor Detail. I just left my corporate job and I wanted to learn the tricks of the trade. And I can say that you guys really delivered on that and really exceeded my expectations.
So you're all in, man.
I'm
You quit
all
your
in,
job.
baby.
That's awesome.
All in, baby.
Are you going to go mobile or?
I'm going to go mobile, and the objective is to have a shop within 2 years and have somebody working for me within a year.
Excellent. What do you think of the business and marketing day on Friday?
I was a marketing major in college. I learned more about marketing in one day than I did in 4 years of college.
Everybody seems to say that comes in.
He didn't tell me to say that, by the way.
Well, I really appreciate the compliment.
You
Thank
got
you.
it.
And the hands-on training Saturday, contact wash, paint
Yep.
corrections, ceramic coating, and today, the final day, interior cleaning, detailing, coating, and headlight restoration. What do you think of those 2 days?
Amazing. Chase and Cole were unbelievable. Really learned so much about new processes and detailing, and I feel really ready to start
Excellent.
my business.
Yeah, they did a really good job. You did a great job too. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. All right.